Tim here with TLC Pressure Washing, and we're out again at this office. We did part of it a couple of weeks ago. We're back here to do some more. I'm going to start on the fence. I'm not going to do the whole fence, but I'm going to start on the fence. And this to me was a great place to test that sealer that says it's for concrete, masonry, or wood. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this. Next time I come to clean the next, I'm going to spray some of that. I'm going to make up a little bit of that and spray as much as I can. And I want to see how long it takes for it to gray out with the sealer on it versus no sealer or regular, you know, untreated wood. So anyway, that's what we're going to try out. Going to get started. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing. And there we go. That's the clean area, and of course that's what's still got to be cleaned. But right now I'm working on this. I'm done for the day. When I come back, I'll work on the rest of the fence, get the rest of the fence knocked out. But I'm also going to do that treatment on the wood as far as a gallon to go. I'll make up 1 gallon, spray it as far as to go, see what happens, and we'll see where we stop. Make sure I know where we stop, how many boards in. And then we're just gonna watch it, see how it does over, you know, the season, the year, how fast it grays out, if it grays out, how, you know, does it gray out the same as the clean but yet untreated boards? We'll find out.